you. Bili ako kayo.
Guys, what's up? My name is PJO, and this time guys, we will have another tipid tip for today. Yon, para sa mga mahilig sa milk tea, we have here at SM City Cebu, we have the Gentleman Cafe, 70% off on takeout. Imagine that, milk tea for only 50 pesos. Diba? How's that? So for tonight guys, we have this winter melon milk tea with coffee jelly, and we only got this for only 75 pesos. Imagine 75 pesos and you have this milk tea. Diba? Amazing milk tea. And it tastes good guys. Actually it tastes good. Diba? Let's try. So this Gentleman Cafe is located at cinema area of SM City Cebu. Of course, beside the trade hall, Cebu Trade Hall there. SM Cinema, then the Gentleman Cafe, and you get it at the takeout area to get the discount, 70% off. What can you say about your 75 pesos milk tea?
Very sulit.
Very sulit guys, diba? For only 75 pesos, you'll get the milk tea and you'll enjoy it. Diba? Nice. So that's it for our tidbit tips for today. Diba? Nice. Gentleman Cafe milk tea. Again, you should try it, guys. Gentleman Cafe. We got winter melon with coffee jelly. Nindot kayo siyang combination, guys. You should try it. We only got this for 75 pesos. Imagine that. You have the milk tea winter melon with coffee jelly na nasiya, di ba? Sulit kayo siya guys. We got it at like 50% off, di ba? Yeah, in addition guys, milk tea nga tip is have it at 0% sugar because it really tastes sweet na if inyo mo talaga sugar, and we only got it at 0% and it still tastes a little sweet, di ba? Or at least medyo healthy siya, di ba, nga milk tea. Alright, so that's it for today guys. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yun.